People don't always have perfect driving records, but that doesn't mean they should have to pay sky-high rates for auto insurance. Direct Auto Insurance is a provider that caters to high-risk drivers. They've built a reputation for taking on drivers other companies might reject. But are their prices really as low as they say? Well, in this video, we're diving deep into Direct Auto car insurance to see if they're the right fit for you. Spoiler alert, the answer might surprise you. So if you want to see if Direct Auto lives up to the hype, make sure to stay tuned. But to skip the insurance shopping headache altogether, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Compare quotes in minutes and see if you can snag a policy that fits your wallet, even with blemishes on your driving record. It's fast, free, and could save you hundreds on your insurance premiums. Now, let's shift gears and get rolling with our Direct Auto Insurance review. What should you know about Direct Auto Insurance? If you've got a less than perfect driving record, Direct Auto Insurance might be worth a look. As a subsidiary of the National General Insurance Group, Direct Auto specializes in providing affordable coverage options for drivers who may be considered high risk. They even handle SR22 filings, which some states require after a DUI or other serious driving offenses. One of the key benefits of Direct Auto is the variety of discounts they offer to help policyholders save on their premiums. We're talking about bundling your car insurance with life insurance, which can add up to some real savings. So, if you just need a solid policy to get back on the road legally, Direct Auto could be a great option. But be sure to visit FreeAdvice.com to find and compare car insurance quotes from some of the best companies in your area. Doing so could help you save big on your monthly premiums. Now that Direct Auto seems like a possible solution to your auto insurance coverage needs, let's dig a little deeper. Direct Auto Insurance Company boasts a pretty good A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, BBB, but there are a surprising number of customer complaints that mention issues with the company's claim process. Apparently, getting a timely response and a decent payout after an accident can be a struggle for some Direct Auto policyholders. This doesn't mean Direct Auto is all bad. On the plus side, the company handles SR22 filings. Plus, they offer bundling options with other insurance policies and flexible payment plans. On top of that, there are discounts available and the convenience of online quotes and claims. So, is Direct Auto the provider for you? Visit FreeAdvice.com today and use our free quote tool to start your search for the best car insurance company for high-risk drivers in your area. Now, speaking of coverages, let's talk about what you actually get with a Direct Auto policy. At Direct Auto, you'll find a range of standard car insurance coverage options to choose from. They cover the essentials, liability, collision, comprehensive medical payments, the usual suspects. You'll also find options for uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, which protects you if someone hits you and doesn't have enough insurance. Or worse, has none at all. Now, keep in mind, Direct Auto car insurance coverage options focus on keeping things basic. They don't offer all the bells and whistles some other companies do. For instance, if you're looking for gap insurance, rideshare coverage, or rental reimbursement, you'll need to look elsewhere. If you need a specific type of coverage that Direct Auto doesn't offer, no sweat. Head over to FreeAdvice.com right away. All you need to do is pop in your zip code in our free quote comparison tool, and you'll receive customized insurance options for your needs and budget. It's that easy. So, how much does Direct Auto insurance cost? We all know insurance rates can vary wildly, but here's how Direct Auto stacks up against the competition for minimum coverage. We looked at some of the biggest names in insurance, and guess who came in the top 3 cheapest? Geico and State Farm landed in the low $30 range for monthly premiums. When it comes to minimum coverage auto insurance with Direct Auto, the company sits right in the middle of the pack, clocking in at $44 a month. Now, that might not sound like a steal, but compared to Liberty Mutual at a hefty $67 a month, you could be saving yourself a cool $270 a year by switching to Direct Auto. Of course, price isn't the only factor. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and use our free quote comparison tool to find coverage from the best companies in your area today. But what if you want more protection for your car? Let's say you want collision and comprehensive coverage, basically all the bells and whistles. Here's where things get interesting. Direct Auto full coverage car insurance comes in at $115 a month, just under the national average of $119. Before you write them off completely, let's compare Direct Auto to competitors. Geico and State Farm charge $80 and $86 a month, respectively, for full coverage. On the other end of the spectrum, Liberty Mutual's full coverage plan rings in at a whopping $174 a month. So, by going with Direct Auto instead, you could be looking at a sweet $700 saved in a year. But remember, with rates often higher than the national average, it's worth exploring other providers to see if you can find a better deal on the coverage you need. Visit FreeAdvice.com to compare quotes from top insurers in your area. It's a quick and easy way to shop around and ensure you're getting the best price for car insurance. We've talked about the basic and full coverage pricing. Now let's check out Direct Auto's rates when it comes to age and driving record. Teen drivers could be paying almost 35% more than the national average. Even young adult drivers see rates 5 to 6% higher than the norm. It's similar for adult drivers too, with premiums running 5 to 7% above average. Even seniors pay a bit more with Direct Auto, shelling out 6 to 9% more than the national average. If you've got a speeding ticket on your record, Direct Auto could cost you nearly $500 more a year than the average company. And an accident bumps that number up by around 28%. The bottom line? Direct Auto isn't necessarily about rock bottom rates. If you're curious to see how your own rates would compare, don't waste any time. Head over to FreeAdvice.com. Our free quote comparison tool does all the legwork for you. You will get a list of personalized options that fit your exact needs in minutes. But let's get even more specific. What happens if you have a few missteps on your driving record? If you have a spotless driving history, Direct Auto will charge you $115 for your full coverage auto insurance, which sits comfortably in the middle of the pack. With a speeding ticket on your record, Direct Auto will charge around $141 a month for full coverage, which is a bump, but not a huge one. Now, a DUI is a different story. A DUI with Direct Auto will cost you $197 a month for full coverage. This means you'll pay an extra $984 annually for car insurance. But interestingly, if you've been in an accident, Direct Auto's full coverage rate jumps to $172 a month, which is actually lower than many competitors. The key takeaway? A big determining factor on how high or low your car insurance rates will be depends on your driving record, so comparison shopping is a must. Use our free quote generator at FreeAdvice.com to find the lowest rates based on your specific situation. Alright, so Direct Auto might not always be the cheapest option, but they have a ton of discounts to help you snag some savings. Unlike some other non-standard insurers, Direct Auto actually throws a lot of ways to lower your rate at their policyholders. We're talking classics like good student discounts for young drivers with good grades, safe driver rewards, and multi-vehicle discounts if you're insuring more than one car in your household. Direct Auto even offers savings for military members, seniors, and homeowners. If you bundle your car insurance with another policy like home insurance, you could save 25%. Plus, there are policy renewal discounts with Direct Auto, and even affinity discounts if you're a member of certain groups. Some of these discounts can slash your rate by over 25%, so it's definitely worth checking if you qualify. Every penny counts, so stop wasting time and money on overpriced policies. Head to FreeAdvice.com to get a list of top car insurance providers offering the lowest rates where you live. And that's the scoop on Direct Auto. We covered their pros, cons, pricing, and even how to score some sweet discounts. But here's what you can't miss. You don't have to settle for just Direct Auto or any other provider that isn't the perfect fit for you. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and unlock a world of insurance options. We make comparing rates and getting quotes from several providers a breeze with our free quote comparison tool. No more insurance shopping headaches, just clear, straightforward options and big cash savings waiting for you. If this video helped you navigate the world of Direct Auto, give it a thumbs up. And hey, while you're at it, subscribe to the channel for more insurance content coming your way. Actually, have you had any experience with Direct Auto? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else out. Or maybe you have lingering questions about Direct Auto. Fire away. Speaking of saving money on insurance, have you seen our video on the 12 factors that can really impact your car insurance rates? Turns out things like being married or even your gender can affect the price you pay. We're talking serious cash you can save. That video's gold, so definitely check it out. And hey, if you know someone who's shopping around for a new insurance policy, share this video with them. Whether they're considering Direct Auto or any of the other companies we mentioned, FreeAdvice.com can help them find the perfect fit. Let's get everyone saving on insurance together.